Yaga yo, yaga yo, yaga yo. We're outside again. Yeah, man. Big up to all the family. Oh my gosh. So yeah, man, today we're going to another bike meet. I don't know if any of you guys are gonna be there. But yeah. So we're going to Slade Road petrol station. That's where we're meeting up. And we're gonna take the vibes from there. But yeah, stay tuned, guys. There's gonna be content after content after content. So you know how we do this thing. We're gonna break this thing right now, right the way down. We're gonna give it you in smalls, you know, like that. But yeah, man, I'm at, past 500 subscribers now. I'm happy with that. Thank you very much, guys. Much appreciated. I don't know how my audio sounds because I'm using a new balaclava and it's slightly thicker than my other one. And plus, Dange has got this blasted T-Rex exhaust going on in front. You get me? But yeah, man, it should be a nice day. We're riding out to, I think it's up by Coventry way, something like that. So like, I've got these new boots now. I normally wear my leather trainers, yeah? So today I decided, you know what? I'm gonna wear proper bike boots. So I bought some cheap ones off Amazon, about £40, £50, something like that. And yeah, it definitely makes a difference to how my gear shifting is going because I'm so used to my levers. So I've got to kind of get used to it. Look at this idiot. So I've got to get used to it. Gotta get used to it, man. But yeah, I need to know how many bikes are turning up today. It's gonna be 5, 10, 15, 20. 5, 10, 15, 20. Yeah, man. And yeah, guys, the April's Fool thing, you know what, that is crazy, so I done that video. It was it was like the afternoon and I thought it's April's Fool's, let me do something silly, you get me? And then I did it. Sorry guys, do you know what I mean? I caught quite a few of you. There's people that got caught in real life and tried to say that they didn't, but we know some of them did. But yeah, man, you know what? Yeah, big up you lot, man. Big up you lot. And like I says, I got some things coming up that I want to do. Do you know what I mean? Look at this exhaust. I know that Danger's definitely following a sat-nav to get to this petrol station. Only a sat-nav will take you these ways. That's all you hear from that, See the boots is making me miss the flipping gears, man. I'll get used to it. I think that might be a common thing when you got new boots, isn't it? Got them boot them stiff up, you know? But yeah, from what I gather, I feel like the first bike meet I ever went to, I feel like I went straight into the deep end, you get me? Right up with the man, the seasoned, like that. So I feel like I went straight in the deep end. I get the vibe that this one is not gonna be that, it's more relaxed. I don't mind, to be fair, I'm up for any one of them, but it'd just be interested to, see like the different experiences and the different type of meets and that. And it'd be interesting to see how many bikes turn up. You know what I mean? And this time, guys, I've got a flipping 30,000 MAH or whatever you call it power pack it's like a flipping brick. Yeah, charger cables and all them kind of things there. We ain't having dead batteries today. I've got all my flipping Action Pro batteries charged up. You get me? Like, yeah man, we're ready. Yeah, we're bike ready. We ride out ready. Pause. Let's go. You know what I'm gonna do one day, guys? I'm gonna do a riding assessment for Dange. I've got a few people that want to do it. I'm gonna ask him if he wants to do like a 15-minute riding assessment. So I'll have to get my microphone and stuff, tell him which directions to go, and then we will assess his riding. Or maybe I get you guys to assess his riding. Do you know what I mean? Like timestamp what he should have done where, blah 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 blah. Let me know how you reckon I should do that if we're gonna do it. So we're supposed to meet at 10. It's 9:30. Hang on, I don't think I've. Yeah, I haven't set my clock. The clock's gone forward, isn't it? That shows how long I ain't been out. Oh, we can't see nobody here. Oh, yes, the bike them is outside. Manners. Oh, do you know what? I need fuel. Yeah man, so we're there. Come on man. First set of on them there. Let me see if I can get some fuel up in this. Are you going here? Environment. Let me go around. I suppose it's a queue, right? But yeah man, make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe. We out.